Palm Trail, baby, with our guide Ben, the J, of course me, Mr. Boogie, Mr. Boogie, Tully C, Corey T, whatever you want to call me, whatever. I know. Yeah. Hear that, Olivia? When you're watching the video, this could have been you. But you had to have your Apple Jacks. This is beyond me. This is awesome. We didn't even get to go anywhere yet. This is just pretty awesome.
You can do a pan.
Yeah. It's awesome, man. This is so cool already. We've walked 200 feet. Oh my. This is amazing. It's like we're in a storybook. Look at this. No, this is like the Avatar or something. Look at this. Jake, get over here. Well, I've never seen anything this cool before. I feel like this is like an oasis in the desert.
Exactly an oasis.
How? Well, I guess the snow-capped mountains. Get over here, honey. This is so amazing. No way.
Nice and warm. I feel my fingers in
Yeah. That is a hot spring.
Warm spring.
Warm spring.
right? It's not bubbling.
This is so cool.
Oh my gosh. Oh my.
This is crazy. I like that right there.
Livy would jump on that.
I know.
Wish they came. I'm mad at you girls for not coming. I'm not mad at you. I adore you. Love you.
Palm trees are flexible. So. Look how strong I am, guys! This is how I get my calf raises in.
Yeah.
So this plant probably started growing to the side to just get sun from the bigger one.
Yeah.
And then went, oh, nope, I'm going back this way now. Almost like a long canned green bean.
Okay.
And so when it was really dry, they popped out the flowers. And then either use the beets,
Okay.
a little extra protein food. You can eat them. I think low hanging nut fruit, I will.
Are they sweet?
They're sweet. They're not like in strawberries.
Amazing to think that in the middle of a desert, you'll have all this life. It's because of the water coming off the mountains and the hot springs in the middle of the desert. Nuts.
Hunter, you do together.
I'd be the domesticated man,
Yeah.
like John Lennon in the late 70s. Wow. Whew. The hot spring
So
is
did you
steaming.
come and sit in there?
Not really. I haven't seen one, but if you're into it.
Natives did.
I think there's other ones down in the other country area.
Oh wow!
Is it about
Really
salt
warm?
warmer?
Holy cow, that's really warm.
Really?
That's
Yeah.
good. That's good for the joints.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you were like hot.
No.
Yeah, that's warm.
It's warm enough.
Yeah.
And also you
It
can
smells-
smell
Yeah.
the like sulfur.
I was gonna say like egg.
Yes, like rotten egg.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the salt and sulfur coming out of the water. Same thing here. Someone just walking right along.
Yeah.
This is another hot spring.
How hot is that hot spring?
Lukewarm spring. Look at that. Look how much I can see.
Yeah. I can see steam coming out.
Go ahead, try it.
But don't bite hard into it. Because again, the shininess you see is the sugar from the egg. And it rained yesterday, so they're good.
He didn't die.
So what you do is
Making
you just
sure there's no like bird shit on it or anything.
so you just take it in your mouth and just kind of bite lightly on it, and then the syrup will come out. It'll taste like a medjool date.
Oh yeah.
Remember, like, princesses in the Middle East died of poisoned dates. Haven't you seen Indiana Jones and the
Bad dates.
Bad Dates? Exactly. That. Which one was that? It was the
Readers.
Raiders of the Lost Ark.
With
Bad,
Sala.
bad Dates.
But
Is she dead yet? High five, man. We got rid of her. Woo! Yeah. We did it. She's gone.
There's a popcorn.
She's gonna croak soon.
Yeah, look at it. There's the seed.
Just kidding, Jay.
skin-
Yeah, I think I see a cougar. Ah! Yeah.
Whatever.
What's up, cougar?
You're not younger than me.
She looked like a cougar to me.
Really?
Oh, Mom. I hope I don't fall.
Just thinking of you, Mom. Not gonna jump off this cliff, but thinking about you. I did pick up a cougar though on the way up. It's right there. Or maybe she was white. Puma. You love me. At least you like me. Tolerates me.
And do a backflip.
Just to tell you how funny my wife is, I said that water is rushing, as in like rushing, going fast. She said it's not Russian, it's American. Pretty funny stuff, huh?
Somebody maybe had like shooting off guns or something.
Yeah, no shooting out here.
Looks like we're in Africa.
You see Scar at the top.
I can see Scar, it's Pride Rock. went hiking in there. There's plenty of water, as you can tell, with all the palm trees and life that's stuck in the desert here. It's just outrageously cool. Absolutely cool. Totally cool. In case you're wondering, we're still in the desert, but check this out.
The smoke scarring?
Yeah, smoke scarring. So someone must have had a fire right there.
Yep. Stayed out of the,
Wow.
This almost looks like it was burnt right here.
Yeah.
Alright.
It's all because it's next to this water. This is an oasis
Sycamore trees.
in the desert.
cottonwood trees.
In case you're wondering why they call it Palm Springs,